What is the MWCC Success Scholar Program? The Success Scholar Program is designed to help a group of students successfully navigate their first year at MWCC. As part of this unique program, you will have access to individualized attention, coaching, and support in your academics through a success coach, access to in-person and virtual meetings, workshops, and events focused on academic, personal, and career success, leadership development opportunities, and educational supplies. How can the program help me? Your success coach will reach out to you early and often, providing you guidance and encouragement as you pursue your educational goals. Your coach will help you with how to be prepared for college and do well in your classes. Learn about rewarding career paths, overcoming the big and small everyday challenges that get in the way of your success. Who is eligible? If you believe you qualify and would benefit from these resources, we encourage you to contact us. In order to qualify, you must be a first-time student or transfer student. After the completion of the first year, you may be referred to another appropriate program or support, if needed, to continue your studies at MWCC successfully. How do I apply? If you are interested in learning more, please email us at successcoachesteam@mwcc.mass.edu.